Hi everyone, this is Tara from Breathe Bison. I'm here at Oniya, where the bison will soon roam again. And I love to come outside and feel the frequency of nature. It's very still, but there is a lot of action. The birds are flying around, the grasshoppers, the flies. You can even hear the antelope making that funny pinging sound on the butte up there. And the breath really informs on how we connect and tap into nature. So we breathe really slowly through our nose. We activate all 5 lobes of our lungs by breathing deep with our hand just below the navel. And so let's soften our breath, breathe really quietly but deeply through the nose, and see what we hear as we get quiet. I heard this bird. It started out real quiet and it got a little bit louder. It's as though I was listening to it. It was knowing I was listening to it. And it just got a little bit louder, as though we're tapping into each other. Now they're really going out there. I heard the fly by, and it reminded me of when we get on those freeways and we just buzz along. These are super freeways for the flies and the butterflies and the bees, the wind. So just experiment with that quiet silence and see what you hear, feel what you hear, listen for what you hear. And let us know if nature talks back to you, because Mother Nature loves us and she always will.